TypeError, str does not support the buffer interface. The above Python code is giving me following error.
If you use Python X, then string is not the same type as for Python 2.x. You must cast it to bytes, encode it. Also, do not use variable names like string or file while those are names of module or function. Edit at Tom. Yes, non-ASCII text is also compressed/decompressed. I use Polish letters with UTF-8 encoding.
There is an easier solution to this problem. You just need to add a T to the mode so it becomes wait. This causes Python to open the file as a text file and not binary. Then everything will just work. The complete program becomes this.
You cannot serialize a Python 3 string to bytes without explicit conversion to some encoding. Is possibly what you want. Also, this works for both Python 2.x and 3.x.
For Python 3.x you can convert your text to raw bytes through. For example, the object returned will work without file.write.